If you're traumatized, one of the first things that research tells us that gets blocked off in your brain is the on-ramp to imagination. So when I tell you to sit down and write, and I say use your imagination, you can't access it. So if I tell kids to sit down and write in their journals and use their imagination, there's some kids, or all of the kids, I say, if you're having a hard time thinking of stuff to write about, here's some pictures. All you need to do is write what you see on the picture. So at least you can participate if you don't have access to your imagination. So all of that stuff we're learning about trauma, I think, is extremely important for us as educators to get more schooled about so we can understand how it impacts those behaviors like shutting down, I'm not doing this is stupid, versus I can't access my imagination right now.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.